All right. Now we're doing FreeCodeCamp, JavaScript algorithms and data structures, basic JavaScript, modify array data with indexes. So unlike strings, the entries of arrays are mutable, just like I said in the last video, and can be changed freely, even if the array is declared with const, just like I said again. Anyway, so for example, const ourArray equals this right here. If we want to change the first one, we can just say ourArray at index 0 now equals 15. And so ourArray now has the value of 15, 40, and 30. We'll prove it over here in just a little bit. So here's a note. There should not be any spaces between the array name and square brackets like this. I mean, this just looks foolish, honestly. Although JavaScript is able to process this correctly because it ignores white space. It does not care. This may confuse other programmers reading the code because they're not used to seeing something like that, all right? So now we're going to modify the data stored at at index 0 of my array to a value of 45. So right down here, we're just going to say my array. We don't have to do any const or anything like that because we're already we're changing up an already declared variable. And now we're going to say this now We're going to say my array at index 0 now equals 45. So 45, just like that. Let's cap it off with a semicolon. Come down here. Let's do a console.log to check our work. Let's say my array at 0. And you see it says 45 right there. And actually, let's put my array. Let's check the array itself. And you see 45, 64, 99 when it started with 18. So let's run the test. Looks good and submit it. All right, now we're on to access multi-dimensional arrays with indexes. And we'll see you next time.